What's going on? It's David from Luxury Shine. Welcome to our new home. The whole idea of this new space was we were outgrowing where we were. We still partnered up with the Auto Loft, so we're still working together. So all you clients that are wondering, where am I? I'm just at Unit 8. So welcome to our spot. I want to give you an introduction. We have a nice little lounge area. You can come hang out, spend some time. You're more than welcome to walk around the shop. Here we have our reception desk. I want to display our services up here, give you guys an idea of our packages. The receptionist is going to be in charge of booking you in, taking care of you, checking in your car, and checking out your car, and making sure that you are 100% satisfied. For Instagram purposes now, we have a feature wall where you could park your car right here, and as a customer, when you're sitting in the lounge, you can come see the car. Before we go any further, we have Laab Canada headquarters in here. I am actually one of the very first installers in Canada to install Laab, and I love the product. And I love the way they operate. This is typically where the training happens. If you're becoming a new installer or you're currently an installer and you're moving up the tiers, the Laab team is here to train you. We'll do another take on this. I'll have Brett from Laab go more in depth of their products. All I know is I use it and I love it. This area here, we will be doing some work here. We're gonna be doing some wraps in here, PPF. This is like the clean area. And we have these spotlights to give us better visibility of what we're working with. The lighting in here is ideal because, you know, our paint correction is so important. You need the car near flawless before you prep and apply the coating. And we felt that spotlights is the way to go. Now, walk into our wash bay. This is still a work in progress. The wash is very important. Now, typically you do your wash and bring it in, but I wanted to bring it into this part of the building and have my guys take their time in washing the cars. This area here is our small vehicle area. Typically motorcycles, I got my bike here. Once my curtains come in, it'll be blocked off so no water gets splashed over. This corner right here is all the supplies that I want my staff to get. So I wanted to keep this area, all bottles full at all times, microfiber towels, all organized, and all the tools that you need for day to day. Our polishers, compounds, extension cords, bottles, everything is in this area. Here is our charging station. We want to make sure that everything is plugged in, and when they need it, they can just grab it and go. Under here, under this beautiful Porsche, we have our lift, and this allows us to work underneath the vehicles, lift the cars up for film, wrap, or anything that we need. Lighting is so important. So with every angle, I have the spotlights set up so we don't miss any part of the vehicle. It almost simulates the sun outside. So when we do take a car outside, it's already ready for the customer and ready to drive off. So this is the workspace of Luxury Shine Detailing. I open my doors to you guys because anyone's allowed to walk in here. And I do want my clients to feel that they are welcome in here. Thank you for visiting our shop. You guys are more than welcome to come anytime. You could book online. Your satisfaction means everything to us and our team, and we take pride in what we do. So you guys are more than welcome to come by, drop by. If you want a quote for your car, call us, email us, or book online. We're here at our new location at 19 Waterman Avenue, Unit 8. Anyways, this is David from Luxury Shine Detailing. We want you to go beyond clean and prepare to shine.